All right, guys, this is my review of the Fanwer 5-inch lightweight portable folding step. And they say this is great for kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and for kids or adults. So I can tell you this step is super sturdy and it's super easy to use. Look, first of all, the thing I like about this is how slim it packs up and how easily it comes out. So if you just need a little extra step to get to something in the pantry or to get to something higher in your kitchen or just anywhere in your house, maybe your garage, or maybe you even need this step at some point to like get into your car or any things like that. It packs up super easily. A lot of people, like what I would do is I'd probably store this on the side of my refrigerator. So it kind of like packs right in the side. It's easily accessible, but it doesn't take up much space. And this is all you got to do to unpack it. And all you do to pack it up, all you do to like slim it down is just push it in on both sides to bring it out. You just bring it out and pull it out. And that's it. Now I'm going to stand on it just to prove to you guys that it is sturdy. I'm about 175 pounds. I can stand on it on my tippy toes or flat-footed, one-footed. It's very stable. It's on carpet right now, very stable on carpet. It's not going to break on you. It's going to be a solid step if you just need a little extra step to get where you want to go. And it packs up that slim. If you're looking for something like this, see, there are a lot of things that I could consider junk on Amazon because there's so many products. This, if you're looking for something like this is practical and storable. You could even take this with you in the car. You could have it in the car with you. Keep it right on the side in the car. And then it's just there for you to get in and out, or if you need it for anything like doing something on top of the car. I think this is a very practical tool. In your house, out of your house, in your car, out of your car.